Welcome back now. Kicking off with football, the Reggae Boyz started off their Gold Cup campaign on a winning note with a 2-0 victory over Suriname in Group C action at the Exploria Stadium in Florida. Today, Shamar Nicholson and Bobby Reed were the scorers for Jamaica. Here are the goals.
Nicholson! Jamaica flexes their muscles in. This ball skied over the back line and struck on the first time! Reed! Simply sensational!
So winning start there for the Reggae Boyz. They next play Guadeloupe on Friday. Meanwhile, 6-time Gold Cup winners, the United States, opened Group B of the tournament with a 1-0 victory over Haiti in Kansas City on Sunday. Sam Vines scored for the Americans in the 8th minute. In the curtain raiser, also in Group B, Canada recorded a come-from-behind 4-1 victory over Martinique. Now, Cille Leron, Jonathan Osorio, Stephen Eustachio and Theo Carbanu, they got the goals for Canada after Emmanuel Riviere opened the scoring in the 10th minute for Martinique. In Group A, El Salvador blanked Guatemala 2-0 in Texas. Alex Rol